feel like they want to get out of some type of situation that they're in, but they're not. You know, they're feeling stuck. They don't have a peace of mind right now. See? They don't have a peace of mind because, one, they broke your heart, but there is some type of third-party situation that your person is in. So, yes, they want to fix your broken heart, but I feel like they did make a decision about you. I told you they want to fix it. So, they're going to come back in. They are, let me move this here. They are going to give you an offer, but I feel like this is a small offer. They're going to move slow because, see, look, there's a devil reverse. This is them giving you that small offer, but I feel like they're giving you that small offer, Capricorn, because they have to remove themselves from some type of situation that they were in. And it is a toxic situation. See, look, they're putting an end to a family situation, a home situation, but they're going through their awakening right now. Somebody could be dealing with another Capricorn. Somebody also could be dealing with a Scorpio. But this person feels like they're not going to have a new beginning with you because they took too long. They're afraid that they're not going to be able to turn things around. So this is why they're talking to friends. They could be talking to a close family member, trying to figure out how exactly to fix this. They want to take this leap. And they're sad, you know, but somebody feels like, yeah, they may have taken a hit financially speaking, being stuck in the situation that they were in, and that's why they weren't putting in the work with you. Could have been dealing with a Gemini. Somebody also could have been dealing with an Aquarius, but this is what caused the imbalance between the two of you. And now I'm telling y'all, they're losing hope. They don't feel like they're going to be able to win you back. So they know that they're going to have to come and speak their truth to you. But, see, look at that. I have two truth cards back to back. You're definitely going to get the truth. I feel like this person is seeing the truth of a situation as well. But they just don't have the strength to come towards you just yet. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. Somebody also could be dealing with a Leo. Tell me more. But they're trying their best not to look back at the past because they do want stability with you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries here. Tell me more. I feel like whatever that home or family situation is, somebody's controlling. Somebody is very controlling because I keep staring at the Emperor and I'm looking in his eyes and it's like, I don't know, it feels a little shifty to me, okay? It feels real shifty. So I feel like this is somebody that they were dealing with, you know, and like I said, if it is family, this person, you know, if it's a family member, I feel like they look at your person as like, you know, whatever I say goes. You know, you have to listen to me. And that's the problem. See? Because even the Page of Cups tried to come out reverse. It's like, this is why they were being immature and childish towards you. But then at the same time, I feel like this is why you didn't get the offer. See? The fact that I'm seeing 2 4s here, I'm telling you, this is some type of home or family situation that somebody's going through. And I'm feeling like this person, they want things to improve with you. I feel like they do want to celebrate with you, but there's a third party still standing in the way, and that's the problem. And see, now they're finally listening to their intuition about this other person. Didn't I tell you I feel like they know the truth about this other individual? They know. Page of Cups, you're going to get an offer. But see, they're worried about what they did in the past, the things that they said. Maybe they're worried about this past person. Oh, all y'all just don't come out. We're not taking all y'all. I'll keep the Empress, though, because she came out first. But she's reversed. So, because of what he did in the past, why did I say he? So, maybe this is a guy. But what this person did in the past, I feel like they're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you. That is a lot. Okay, hold on, y'all. Let me just look at this, because it's a lot that keeps trying to come out. I'm not hearing anything. I'm not, that's too many. I'm not taking it. If it does it again, I'm going to take it. Alright, so anyway, this person, they're having a hard time coming towards you. But see, they're coming out of being worried, but at the same time, they are worried that you're not going to accept their offer. They're in their head about it. But they've been arguing. I told you, whoever this is that's been holding on to them, I feel like they're going at it with them. And they are going to walk away, but they're afraid you're going to walk away from them. So they're trying to have the confidence to come towards you, but They're feeling like they're not going to have a victory with you, and they're afraid that you're going to go off on them. You're going to be really cold and harsh to them, even though they know that you want to hear them out. See? Because they stabbed you in the back. See, there's two different women here. I told y'all, there's a third party here. Whether this is a friend, this is a family member, this is a love interest. Even though I'm seeing two women, it could be two men. But because of this third party person, this is why they kept betraying your trust. So now it's just getting to the point where they feel like you don't want to put any more time, effort, or energy into them. Whoever they were dealing with on their end is like they're coming off really nasty to them. I told you, I feel like there's a lot of arguing going on. You know, this person, I'm telling y'all, they're very controlling. But look at this. Even though this is like back and forth energy with all of these cards, the fact that I'm even seeing the King and the Queen of Pentacles, you guys could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but this person looks at you as marriage material. They look at you as being their husband, their wife, you know, somebody that they can build with, they can have stability with. They want to give you this stable, secure offer, but they're having a hard time right now. You know, and it could be financially speaking because, yes, they want to have all of this. You guys want the same thing, but that third party person is blocking, and that's the problem. So right now, they're stuck trying to decide how to handle this. Look at that. They are going to come and speak their truth to you, but they could be waiting on some type of judgment in order to get out of a legal situation, or if that is for some of you guys, or they're just trying to get out of some type of contract. If it has nothing to do with court, this could just be them coming to you, trying to figure out how to speak their truth. They're coming. They're just like, I don't know when to do it, how to do it, because they don't want you to leave them alone. See, in the past, they were moving really slow. Now they're picking up the pace, but they know that they didn't bring balance to you. Somebody could have been dealing with a Libra. Somebody could have been dealing with a Sagittarius. But, yeah, I'm telling y'all, they're worried. They don't know what you're going to say. So, I'm seeing that they're coming out of being frustrated, but they know you're not happy with them because in the past, they were running in and out of your life. You know, now they don't want to do that anymore. I feel like, yes, every time they get the strength to come towards you to open up, they chicken out. They don't say anything. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer, but I'm seeing that this person definitely wants to move forward with you. But maybe for some of you guys, if they are living with someone, whether it's friends, family, a love interest, maybe they do have to move out. And that could have been the holdup. You know, this is why it's like they had you waiting. Now it's like they don't want you to wait anymore. Yep, but see, they've been giving to somebody else, and that's the problem. This person is worried about their finances. You know, I feel like this person's been holding on to them because they want to work things out with you, but they've been doing and giving to someone else. See, they want things to improve with you. They definitely do. But they're not talking. This person has a hard time opening up. Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but they're afraid that you don't want to build with them anymore. There's a Two of Cups. This person definitely wants a commitment with you, and they are going to come towards you to speak their truth. Look at that. I'm telling you, they want a family with you. They definitely do, Capricorn. They want a future with you. They see it. Everything that y'all talked about in the past, they want it. They're just trying to figure out how they can achieve that with you. Because in the past, they could have had other options. In the past, they could have, you know, fell into this trap of listening to other people, you know, so now they need to make their own decision. But see, right now, I'm telling y'all, they're still going through their lesson. They're not ready just yet. They're not moving forward. Let's see. Okay. Somebody's dealing with a water sign. I keep saying it, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this could be a situation to where they're afraid that if they do reach out to you to give you an offer, you're not going to take it. You're not willing to open up to them anymore because they just kept messing up. But see, they don't want you to cut them off. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But see, they're having a hard time. They're regretting everything that they did put you through, Capricorn. Because they're afraid the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow. And they're trying to stay positive, but I'm going to be honest with you, they're not. They're not positive at all. Because they're afraid things may not improve between the two of you. They really messed up. See, that's why there's little to no communication between the two of you, because this person definitely was being sneaky, you know? But I'm seeing they were being sneaky because for some of you, they basically got into some type of commitment. Maybe you were unaware of it. And I feel like they're trying to sneak out of it. They're trying to figure out how to get out of it at this point. But because that's what they did, you know about it. They're feeling like, man, he or she doesn't want to be with me. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. Clarify. See? But they want a new beginning with you. They want a commitment with you. They see marriage with you. But right now they're stuck trying to decide on how to go about doing this, because see, they left you out in the cold, you know, for a family situation or for someone else, you know. And so they want to heal things with you. They don't want to juggle anymore. But see, right now, even though they made that decision, they're still isolating themselves from you. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But this person, I feel like they're very fiery. You know, they can be very passionate, but they feel like they lost you for good. You know, they know that they messed up. You know, they said a lot of, like, harsh communication. That's why, I don't know why something was really pressing me to say fiery. So, this person could have really, like, said some stuff to y'all, okay? But now they want to rush back in because, see, they want to balance things out and they want to give you an offer. So, Capricorn, you do have an offer coming in. I feel like your person is just trying to figure out when and how to do it. All right, Capricorn, I love you all. I hope you take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys. See you soon. Bye, guys. See you soon.